Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use ChatGPT, visual ChatGPT. So the good news is in 2024 July, ChatGPT is 4 is free, and in ChatGPT 4 you can use visual ChatGPT. I'm gonna show you how. You have to go to open a new browser and click here ChatGPT, introducing to ChatGPT, and then you'll find here ChatGPT. And now you can see here this icon, the attachment icon. You can click on this and you can click upload from computer. Like I'm choosing this picture and click on open, and you can write anything with the picture. What is the picture about? Hit enter. It will take some second to analyze and it will give the answer. In ChatGPT 4 it is possible. In 3.5 it's not possible. But in ChatGPT 4 they have given this feature. Here you can see that the answer has been given. So this is how you can use visual ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.